Russia just unveiled their first ever 6th generation fighter jet, and they said, quote, "It is the most dangerous aircraft ever built. Not only is this Russian fighter jet going to be the best in the world, but Russia is creating a version that doesn't need a pilot. And it gets better. That actually means this fighter jet is going to be able to work in parallel with Russia's best fighter jets, the Su-57. Pilots of the Russian Su-57 will be able to fly this unmanned Russian drone at the same time and use it to support their fighter jet. If an area is too dangerous to bomb because the fighter jet could be shot down, the pilot of the Su-57 could fly this unmanned fighter jet into that area without the risk of him being shot down. But this isn't just a small drone. This is Russia's new Su-75 fighter jet, and it's going to be made in 3 different variants. The unmanned one, as I've discussed, but also a 1-seater and 2-seater option as well. Russia actually unveiled a model of it today at the Dubai Airshow, and it goes without saying it got a huge amount of attention. At the moment, Russia has given very little information on it, so it's pretty much secret. But what we know is that this is going to advance the already really advanced Russian Air Force, and it's going to help them quite a lot. Do you think Russia's 6th generation fighter will change the balance of air power, or is this just propaganda? Share your view below.